boys and girls, this is Miss Fisher, and I'm here today with a really fun craft for Earth Day. Before we get started on the craft, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about what Earth Day is. So Earth Day is a national holiday, and we've been recognizing it for the past 50 years. It was made in 1970 by a governor in Wisconsin, and it's basically a day for us to celebrate the earth and our environment. And a lot of people celebrate Earth Day by doing things for our environment, to keep it clean, to keep it healthy. They might go pick up litter on the beach, or maybe they'll plant a tree. There's a ton of different ways to celebrate Earth Day. So if you and your family do anything to celebrate Earth Day, why don't you share that with your classmates and maybe we can all do it. Today, we're going to be doing a craft to celebrate Earth Day. So we're going to be making our own little worlds. It is a coffee filter, and I know you guys aren't using coffee filters, or I hope not, but your parents might have a coffee filter. So first you want green and blue because that's the color of our world. Make sure your markers are washable because you might end up dyeing your hands like Miss Fisher did. Make sure you have washable markers. A spray bottle, and that's all you need. So let's get started. Okay, so my first step is going to be to color my world. So I could look at a map for this, but the colors are going to merge together anyways, and it's kind of more fun to be creative with it. So I'm just going to go ahead and kind of draw like green blobs with my marker, kind of to come up with the different areas of land on our world. This is not correct at all. And then I'll just color them in. And you don't have to color them in all the way because the colors are all going to merge together. But you just want to color them in enough that they have enough color on them. Areas of land. And then the next step is to add the blue. So the blue is going to go all over the place. Okay, so now it's time for the fun part, and this is the part that you definitely want to do over a sink or outside. This is when it gets really messy, and you want to make sure you use washable markers so you don't dye your fingers. So all I'm going to do is take my coffee filter and my spray bottle, and I'm just going to spray it and get my coffee filter pretty wet, and you'll notice the colors are going to start running together. So you can kind of see the colors are starting to run together. And then if you want, you can even take your coffee filter and fold it in half and kind of rub it together gently. And that will really get your colors nice and run together. And you've made this really cool coffee filter world that will look super cool if you hang it up and you have light passing through it, like right here. I hope you enjoyed that Earth Day activity. If you do it, send me a picture. Also, talk with your family about things you can do for Earth Day to celebrate, things you can do that would take care of our environment. Remember, you can be the change you want to see in the world.